YouTube CEO just released his master plan for 2026, and it involves 4 changes that will make YouTube better than ever, and some of it might ruin everything. The first change is helping creators make real money. YouTube paid creators $100 billion in the last 4 years, but ad revenue alone really isn't enough anymore, especially for creators in low-paying niches. So the CEO's big push for 2026 is to build a complete creator economy beyond ads. For example, YouTube Shopping blew up in 2025 with over 500,000 creators actively using it, some making millions. That's right, millions. Much like TikTok, you'll soon be able to easily buy products without ever leaving the YouTube app. And YouTube is making brand deals easier through their partnership hub, where brands can discover and reach out to creators who are making content about them. And they're growing fan funding with more super chat features. So it goes without saying that if you're a YouTuber right now, you have unbelievable ways to make more money, more than ever really existed on YouTube. So if you haven't enabled YouTube Shopping or memberships and super chat, or even looked at the new partnership hub, you should go check that out in YouTube Studio. Now, here's where the CEO's vision gets really interesting. He says that creators are becoming the new Hollywood. Creators are buying studio lots and producing content that looks like Prime TV more than a YouTube video. Miss Rachel has earned 2 Emmy nominations, Mr. Beast has given away $10 million, and Minecraft YouTubers regularly pull more views than the Super Bowl. Plus, YouTube has been the #1 streaming platform in the US for 3 years straight. So because of this shift, YouTube is pushing for more industry recognition for creators, but they're also giving you more tools so you can produce studio quality content. So as this change is happening and as these new tools get brought to the platform, you as a creator should start thinking less in one-off videos and start thinking in episodes, building playlists like TV series around one idea. Because right now, people are binging more series from creators on YouTube than they're binging on Netflix. And YouTube isn't just competing with Netflix anymore. The CEO's third priority is going after an even bigger audience: kids and education. According to this study, around 93% of people aged 18 to 24 use YouTube to help them learn, and around 79% of teachers also use it to support their teaching. So YouTube isn't just about entertainment anymore, it's become one of the biggest drivers of education online. And because of this, YouTube has started to roll out stronger parental controls, letting parents set up limits on shorts time or block it entirely, which is something TikTok and Instagram don't offer. Kids accounts are also easier to set up, and YouTube is putting more effort into making sure content is age appropriate for every family member.
We believe at YouTube that parents should be in control. They should be the ones that make decisions on behalf of their children, teenagers.
That leads us to the CEO's most controversial move of all: AI everywhere. Now, please let me know in the comments how you feel about this next part, because not everybody likes it. It's no secret that YouTube is integrating AI in every part of the platform, and now you can create shorts with AI versions of yourself. You can make games with text prompts and even experiment with AI music. And with all these tools that can become dangerous, they're trying to build some safeguards. Now all AI content will get labeled and creators will be forced to disclose synthetic content. They're also adding tools to control when AI uses your likeness, and they're backing laws like the No Fakes Act. So throughout 2026, you will see more AI tools, more AI videos, more AI voices, more AI music, and more AI versions of real people. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And if you're just starting your channel in 2026, make sure to also watch this video on how to quickly get 1,000 subscribers so you can monetize and start making money. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I love you guys, and until next time, keep creating.